Well, howdy, y'all. We're going to do an unboxing of the Gold Edition Axial SCX10 COYOTE. Because I think I'm actually going to try box stock for once, y'all. Can you believe that? We're going to see. I don't know how. It's going to be hard to refrain, if that's even the word. Refrain or reframe, I'm not sure. But anyway, who cares? It's words. But I'm not sure I'm going to be able to refrain from adding some tires and rims and stuff like that. But I really want to keep it stocked. So we're going to go with this. Let's see what this is. It was already open. I did not open this. I bought it from somebody. We'll go on about that in a second. We're going to open this sucker up. Well, I guess I have the box wrong for it. Looks like we got a dadgum instruction manual. I probably might read this time. We're going to change some stuff up. We got some batteries and some, looks like spare gears, probably for the transmission, probably for the dig function, I'm assuming, and probably the 2-speed. Some hardware, you know, Allen wrenches to work on it. That's pretty cool. They give you a set of Allen wrenches. Let's see if they strip real quick or not, because a lot of these Allen wrenches, they strip fast. Little T-handle. Save 15% on some Spectrum stuff, probably a transmitter. What are you doing, kitty cat? No, I didn't have to cut that out. Looks like we got it. Now that remote, to me, this is just my opinion, but that looks kind of cheap, but it is a lower grade remote control crawler. So I'm assuming that's probably where they saved on the budget, was probably the transmitter. I'm planning on getting a different one. I'm going to try to go with a Radio Master MT12 4-in-1 is what my next upgrade is. But for now, let's keep pulling this thing out of her. Y'all can't see nothing but a white box. We'll put this on the ground. It is still, look, right there. Oh, it does got plastic on it. But I'm assuming it was supposed to have a charger with this gold one and a battery that's supposed to come with it. I don't see one in here. My baby might be able to elaborate on it a little bit while I start cutting this open for y'all, if she would like. I don't know, maybe she might not.
Yeah, I got you. So Stephen found a post on Facebook Marketplace that a guy had these at 18th Street train station in Fayetteville. It's a hobby shop, more so geared around trains, model trains, but he does have RC cars and stuff in there. And most of his cars, whenever he posts, he is, I'm going to say, anywhere from $75 to $100 cheaper than anywhere else that you can get online.
Which is cool.
Which is awesome.
It's really cool.
As long as you pay cash. Okay, so that's the kicker. You come in and pay cash. So anyhow, he's got these 5 trucks that are coming in. They're brand spanking new, just came out on the market. And he said that, you know, I mean, he's got 5 coming in today. If you want to reserve one, do so.
Gold edition, look.
That's all that it came with, y'all.
This is all the gold edition came with. He told us that.
Now, mind you, we get there and he has silver, blue, and gold to choose from. We tell him we want the gold one. That's prior to us getting there. We had conversations with this man. He saves him the gold one. We get there, come to find out, it comes ready to run with battery and charger. We walk in the store, the old man says, "Oh, hey, you know it does take a special battery to run this, right?" Stephen's like, no, what kind of battery? I've got Spectrums, you know, I mean, what? So he shows him the battery and yada yada, and anyhow, needless to say, guys, the owner of the 18th Street train shop in Fayetteville, Arkansas, opened the box and took the battery and the charger out and tried to charge us an additional $120 for it.
Yeah.
Because the gold one,
this is cool.
Online, it's $3.99. The blue and silver are $3.50. The gold one, however, is the only one that comes with the battery and the charger, so it is a little higher.
Man,
And I mean, we would have paid the difference. That's not the issue here. The issue is the man lied, saying that he special ordered this truck to come.
Continued to lie too, on top of lies, on top of lies, on
He
top
special
of lies.
ordered it to come without a battery and a charger from Horizon Hobby. That he is a 5-star dealer in the state. But I've never seen a 5-star dealer in the state open product and steal ready to run product that comes from the factory that way and charge the customer for said product that he took out. So y'all just be aware, we will continue taking our business to GS Hobby in Fort Smith.
GS Hobby is the way to go.
Or NWA Raceway in Rogers.
Or Hobbytown USA.
Hobbytown USA in
They'll
Little
take
Rock.
care of you. Those are
We
some
will
legit
go
companies.
wherever
Legit.
we got to, but we will no longer go to the train station in
First
Fayetteville.
and last time visiting there. No more. But I do like this rig. Thank you for the rig, man. I got the gold edition that I wanted. I didn't give two craps about a charger and a battery. The thing I cared about is you freaking lied to us. But anyway, I don't want no drama. I just like this. That is drama. I'm just sharing some
But that's why it didn't
crap.
come ready to run,
Yeah, I
y'all.
can't
It is
drive
not
it
ready
today.
to run.
I mean, I can
We
drive
went
it
and
today
purchased
because
it.
I'm going to go and solder battery IC3 battery connector on another battery and charge it up on a battery charger that will work for that battery and will work for this. He told me some other shit too that it won't work, that I had to have that special battery charger and a special battery for it. You don't have to have that shit.
I'm going to walk away from the truck for a second and go to the box and show you where it states on there on the side of the box that it clearly comes with it. Just so you guys know. Hold on a second here. Flip this box over. Boop. See, the blue and silver do not, but the gold comes with it, y'all. It's kind of ridiculous that the company, that business would steal from the customer and supposed to be a reputable dealer for Horizon Hobby. So, you guys just be aware. For an additional $120, we could have bought the battery and the charger
from him, but yeah, or just spent the $50 that was $3.99 from a main or a reputable company, and plus the tax and all that. It was still, you know, anyway.
Here.
Look at these tires, man. These tires are so supple, man. Like, they're sticky. Like, they're sticky. Like, only thing I have to say, I like to play in the water. Some people like to play in the water too, but these are vented tires and rims. So listen here, you point on that. They're vented, so if you're going to put it in water, these are 2-stage foams in here. They're going to actually deteriorate extremely fast. So I'm going to try to keep it as dry as I can, but if I do get it wet, the foams are going to deteriorate, and these rims are glued onto these tires, so I won't be able to reuse them unless I can find a way to get the glue off. Other than that, I'll probably have to do an upgrade rims and tires with wheel weights. I'm going to try to keep it as stock as I can. I may change this motor to a 2-in-1, just so I can have the built-in BEC from Fusion. That Fusion 2-in-1 has a built-in BEC, and it can be programmed and all that, and it can be watered. It can get in water and all that. That will probably be the only upgrades I do. Well, it's not an upgrade because it already has a mount for a micro winch servo. It has a deal somewhere where you can add, I don't know where you can control the what is it, the dig and the 2-speed that you can add to this, because that's what these gears are, is for dig and 2-speed on this transmission. I'm sure there's a spot where you can add a micro servo somewhere to do that, but I don't know. I haven't messed with this rig yet. I do have an Axial SCX10 Jeep CJ7, which is similar chassis, not close, really. Actually, they've done a lot. This thing is actually tapered. Wow, look at the chassis rails right here, and they brung them in. Normally, the chassis is just straight as a whistle, man, all the way. But this dang chassis right here is pretty, it's this far apart, but then it tapers in the back. And it seems, yep, and it does it in the front too. So it's this wide here, and it tapers down to real narrow here. It also tapers narrower here, so that's kind of a plus to me, I think. And the battery tray is forward with that rubber battery holder, and all of the shock placements, added shock placements, and the shocks feel really good. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have to do much to this. This is really light rig, man. I kind of like that. I don't know about the 3-link. I'm not too fond of 3-link suspension because of it's bump steer, man. Like, it shifts the chassis over, in my opinion, with a 3-link suspension. When you're flexing out on certain obstacles and you don't want your chassis to shift from your axles, 4-link will keep you from doing that. A 3-link will drop and move your chassis over and move your axle over at a full bottom dropped out. I just don't like that, but I'm gonna see how this works and run it. But yeah, I'm gonna try to keep it stock. My baby wants me to keep it stock, and I think everybody else probably wants me to keep some shit stock every now and then instead of cannibalizing stuff. Anyway, we'll keep it short, and I'll make some battery connectors for some batteries, charge some batteries up, and I'll make another video for y'all of some crawling out here at the park. Give her a like and subscribe. Take her easy. Later.